So the next question that for 2026 people usually want to ask clients is, what is the realistic cost for a kitchen remodel for, 2026 and now, and in the conditions that after tariffs or maybe more tariffs, all that. Every situation there is variables. Like for example, do you think you're a chef? In other words, do you use lots of stuff to cook? Do you cook a lot? No, you just warm up things, right? So you don't need an extravagant kitchen. There is also the size. Yes, size matter. Because if I have a medium size or very large kitchen, well, of course the cost will go up. So you need to keep that in mind because it's not a straightforward answer, right? So one more time, size matter. What you want to accomplish into the new kitchen does matter. And how much do you want to do? For example, what do I mean? Is there a wall to be taken out, or are we staying within the existing perimeter and we are just trying to make the best we can do into that size of the room? Let's say for a second that we are not going to move walls and we have about a medium-sized kitchen, 200 square feet, okay? Appliances, we're gonna reuse them. We're not gonna do new appliances. And we are saying, look, I am, again, bored or I have to sell and I wanna spruce it up. If you're selling, you're going to paint the cabinets that you have. New countertop, new backsplash, sink, faucet, that's a must. Maybe a light sprucing up, right? Something that is more modern, more today, so that a new buyer comes in and says, I can see myself, taking my shoes off, putting my pots and I'm cooking and I'm good for a while. If you're doing this for you, well, that's a different story, right? So we need to take the conversation of how long you're gonna stay in the home. Is this something you wanna invest in? Or again, you're just bored, because spending 50 plus grand on board maybe is not reasonable. But if you're gonna stay, 8-10 years in the home, then okay, things starting to look different. So at that point, we can look layouts. I can make the kitchen layout be much more functional and look beautiful, so that inspires you to be a better cook. It inspires you to go to the kitchen and turn the coffee pot on. It's not just about spending money. It's about spending the money for blah blah purpose. So I spend a lot of time with my clients figuring out what that purpose is. And whatever it is, bored, not bored, selling, I just want it, is what we come up with the best plan for you, because I understand the intent. So depending on what you're going to do, that's where we're gonna discuss the quality of the cabinetry, gadgets, no gadgets, look at all the options, and then a decision is made. I'm cutting this or I want it, and that's okay. I spend my time with you to make sure that when you buy this kitchen, you don't have to buy again for another 20 to 25 years. Literally, guys, let's be honest. All I want to hear is that you have maybe replace a backsplash because you're bored, right? Or maybe, hey, I can't take this faucet anymore after 5 years because I don't want gold anymore. I want the next color. That's okay. But I don't want to hear that you have purchased new cabinetry, redone the remodel, so let me do my job. Listen to what I have to say, and it is totally your choice, but at least I know you said no.